Hello, my name is Dana, and welcome to my art channel. I was cat sitting this weekend, so my setup and environment are a little bit different than usual. I got cozy on the couch for this week's Draw With Me. Today's theme is Bird Friend, where I decided to draw a portrait of my friend's pet bird, specifically a cockatiel. I know what you're thinking. Dana, if you're cat sitting, why aren't you drawing a picture of the cat that you're watching? Well, it's my sister's cat, who has been the theme of many of my pieces throughout the years, including Green Cat from the previous video. Plus, the cat is a big fan of watching birds anyway, so I figured this would be some nice decoration for her while I'm here. Fun fact, she smelled it and didn't seem to care much, but I stand by my decision. I am trying to broaden my portfolio. Right now it mainly consists of cats and dogs. Plus, I think birds are the perfect theme for these current springtime months. Today's drawing is made with Prisma-colored pencils on an 8x10 piece of paper. As much as I love using colored pencils, I find myself not using them very often. Generally only when I travel or if I'm doing a small project. It can take a long time to build up vibrant and solid colors, but the final product is usually worth the time. This piece took about an hour and a half to complete. I know this is a bit of an interesting angle, but I was limited in space to set up. I didn't have a way to get the camera directly behind me, but I think this is a fun angle because it feels cozy and personal. It's a little weird watching my eyelids move at high speed, so just ignore that please. As I was drawing, every so often I would hold the work in progress up to the camera. I made a second video where I cut all those clips and combined them into one short. The video is already up and I'll leave the link in the description. If you have an idea or suggestion for my next paint with me, I would love to hear it. I find myself having trouble coming up with new themes for this series, so any sort of feedback would be helpful to me. You can leave a comment on here or in any of my social media accounts. I'm going to let the royalty-free music play for a little bit and then I'll check back in later. And here we have the final product. It's not my typical subject, but I am happy with how it came out. Thank you so much for watching today's Draw with me, and I hope you enjoyed it.